Hi, I bought the MegaWise Ultrasonic Humidifier, and I'm going to tell you a few things that I've noticed about it. Pretty simple, fill it up. The pieces, just how it comes. You plop it down, plug it in, turn it on to your desired amount. You can also use the light. So one of the things I just want to let y'all know about was I noticed that the number 5 air outlet, that didn't come with either one of mine that I just bought, and it works just fine the way it comes. Kind of drove me crazy looking for a piece that I couldn't find, so I watched many videos and nobody seems to have it. So then you can use quality essential oils, accepted. And then clean the water tank every 2 to 3 days to prevent molding, to get improved health benefits, and use only distilled vinegar. Only way to clean it. And then make sure you do your warranty within 7 days in order to get your 1 year warranty, full replacement guaranteed. Pretty easy, pretty simple, works, heats up, and then it'll start producing a lot of mist. So we'll wait for that. And you can also turn it whichever way you want the mist to come out. And there it goes. Only about 2.5 minutes it took to start making mist. So there you go. That's the only things I found. Have a nice day.
We've got our MegaWise air humidifiers. We just got them today. I've got 2, one for each kid's room. They came in styrofoam packaging inside of this box. The best part about the box, you got the customer service support team right there, real big. Got your user manual and your live 24/7 chat. These are both humidifiers. Let me turn off the light so you can see the night lights that are currently on. It's easy to function with the night lights. It is off right now. Let's go ahead and turn it on to the minimum setting. I don't know if you can see it. Let me come this way a little bit. There you go. That is the minimum setting. Let's see if I can get both as I turn the dial. It's a little bit more than the middle. And here is the maximum setting. I'd say it puts out a good amount. That looks pretty good. I got both of them at the same time. Here's minimum. I can show you the difference between minimum on this side. This is minimum. This is maximum. Show you the side. Maximum's doing a really good job. Now I'm going to put them both max. Again, they will be going in the kids' bedrooms. Look at how much it puts out. It does say that with cooler temperatures outside or inside to use warm water. But that looks pretty good to me. I love the nightlight. It's a cool additive because my kids don't do so good in the dark. It's a great little product.
Okay, here is the humidifier. If you can tell, it's so quiet. One of my favorite features is probably that it has a light with it, so it'll double like as our kids' night light, which is really good. And like you can turn the steam any way you want it to go, which the last one that we had, you couldn't turn it. So like we were constantly trying to move the humidifier itself into the right spot. So this is convenient, just to be able to put it exactly where it needs to go. And then it's got like a huge tank. I mean, we fill ours up maybe once a day. It'll last for overnight and nap time. So we'll clean it out and then fill it up for the next night if we need it. But I mean, overall, a fantastic buy. Definitely get you one if you have small kids. I even use it sometimes whenever I don't feel good. Yeah, really good humidifier.
Okay, so you can see light is great. You could turn this up, all that, fantastic. But there's no mist. I plugged this in earlier today. I'm gonna say, we'll just say around noon. It's 10 o'clock at night now. It hasn't been misting. I've changed the levels. You could see I saw a bunch of people said, make sure it's not filled up too high. It's well below, and it hasn't been misting for a few hours. I thought I was going crazy. Like maybe it shuts off after a little bit, but it hasn't done anything in forever. And I don't know why. I've turned, like I know this is just to adjust the direction, but nothing. So is there something that I'm missing? Is it something, and it's just an easy fix? Somebody let me know, please.
That's it, guys. I throw in the white flag. I have officially found the best diffuser known to Amazon. I am a diffuser queen. I have one in every single room. And this humidifier, I called their company. The representative spoke with me, and she said that you could put essential oils in it, so all that smoke is blowing out some eucalyptus right now. The house smells amazing. I feel like I can breathe, and it's so pretty. It was so easy to set up. I absolutely love it. And shout out to Jen, the representative, who answered all the questions I had, even though it was such a super easy setup. You were so kind. There's nothing, no moisture.
picture. Oh yeah, you can talk because I need it anyways.
Mucho en esos momentos tan lindos que pasamos juntos. Y también que tienes una cualidad maravillosa, la honestidad y la nobleza.
Son dos cualidades.
¿Y qué? ¿A poco? Just keep an eye on all this dark sin. You've got a long trail run.
It's quiet.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those
My daughter is being treated for leukemia. I hope that she lives a
Mucha con atención. No quiero dejarte aquí encerrado.